Hello my friends, welcome back to an episode of The Silly Kitchen where I'm going to show you, I think, one of the quickest recipes I've done thus far. I'm going to show you how to make a really easy salad dressing at home using ingredients that you probably already have. I know that like many people, I buy my salad dressings at the grocery store, but there's something about just making your own with simple ingredients at home. So here we go, super easy. I love to use mason jars for my salad dressings because you can make it in here, shake it in here, serve it from here. Wow, I didn't even think of that. I just kind of said it and it came out kind of silly on The Silly Kitchen. So again, there's gonna be a lot of variations. There's a million different ways to make salad dressing at home, but vinegar and olive oil are gonna be your two kind of start points. So I'm actually using a garlic basil infused olive oil from O&V. I know you guys who have been with me for a while saw that I did a collab episode with them. So I'm gonna use their olive oil. And because it already has these beautiful aromatics, oh, the basil just really comes out, and garlic, you already have a ton of flavor in your olive oil. Guys, I don't measure unless I'm baking, because now I'm baking, so I just kind of filled the bottom a little bit with olive oil. And again, guys, like let's say you're making salad dressing for the week. Let's just use the whole thing because I knew I had a little bit, not too much left. So this is gonna make me salad dressing that I can use all week long. The next step is your vinegar. So I have a rice vinegar here. Rice vinegar I find is a little bit different than regular vinegar. If you have regular white vinegar, use it. That's fine. I've done that before too. Now you're gonna want less vinegar than you have oil. But in terms of measuring, who cares? Again, rice vinegar, white vinegar works as well. You're fine with either of those. Now, lemon juice is a beautiful ingredient. It pretty much livens up and wakes up everything. I like lemon, so I'm gonna throw 3 good squeezes in there. Now, you're probably rolling your eyes going, why the hell is she getting lemon out of a lemon thing instead of squeezing real lemon juice? Well, of course, if you've got some lemon, squeeze some real lemon juice in there and go for it. I'm not gonna run out to the store just to get a couple of things. I'm trying to be as respectful as possible during this time. So to make sure that I always have lemon and lemon juice right now, I bought one of these and this will last me for a good couple of weeks. And let's sweeten up this dressing a little bit by adding honey. And this one is really based on how sweet or how tart you would like your salad dressing. So tart, sweet, tart, sweet. That's how you're gonna do your ratios. So I'm eyeing it out. It's right now very separated between the ingredients, so we gotta give it a shake. If you wanna whisk it, go for it. Again, I'm doing it in the mason jar so that I can just shake it. Okay, let's close her up. Make sure you've got the lid on good because you don't want it going all over the place. And just give it a shake. This is your opportunity to do some dance moves, get your exercise in for the day, work on whatever you want to work on. You can even do lunges. I mean, you want to give it a good shake. So see how there's no honey sticking to the bottom? That's it. 4 ingredients and you've got salad dressing. You got to do a taste test because we didn't measure anything. I want to know, well, is this the sweetness or tartness that I want? So just stick a little spoon in. I kind of love it. It's kind of perfect. I've made this salad dressing a million times, so I have eyed it out and made it taste really, really good in the way that I like it. If you want, like I said, a little sweeter, a little tartar, do what you want. The other thing that I didn't mention is why am I not throwing any herbs in here or any kind of other aromatics? Well, here's the thing. You can sprinkle your herbs, your salt and peppers onto your salad. and then just pour this over top. I find if you put the dry herbs in there and stuff, I find that they kind of float to the top a lot, even as they sit. I don't love putting it in. I've done it before, but this is now the way that I do it. This is one salad dressing. I have a million other ones I can tell you all about, but if you've got these basic ingredients in your cupboard, which I typically always do, you've got yourself homemade salad dressing, and it's just refreshing, and it makes me feel like spring with the lemon and the sweetness. And now I'm gonna go have a salad and pour this all over it. The quickest Silly Kitchen video I think I'm ever gonna make. Salad dressing, 4 ingredients. Enjoy, eat a salad, have some fun shaking your booty making some of this. Till next time, thank you so much for watching this episode, and remember, hit that subscribe button if you wanna hang out and see some more stuff that I do. Bye.